There it goes. There it goes. Yo, this is not playing. I did not like this, bro, but it's okay. Like, I like thunderstorms, but I still don't like tornadoes. Whoa! That's the big thunderstorm ever. These people. Whoa! Yo! Oh shoot! Yep, it's here. They running. They. Look! I can't see nothing. You. It's so beautiful, right, Mama? But is it pretty? Mama, I'm recording right now. Whoa! Oh my goodness! I'm really recording this big old ashy storm right now. These people is outside running to the quick trip, and they gonna stop. I can't zoom no more? That's not fair. Mom, look at this flooding. Oh my goodness. Mama, everybody's running. They're running crazy out of tornado coming. I told her to sit the bus in there. Here come the wind a little bit. Mom, here come the wind a little bit. The wind is a little bit. Here they come. That's our car, guys. That's our car right there. Mom, they're in the flood. Mom, you see that water bug earlier? That's because the rain did it, right? Look at this beautiful rain. I could be sleeping right now, right, Mama? But I can't sleep because during the time, like 2:45 p.m., I can't. Last night was really bad. Bro, last night it wasn't playing. It was actually serious, Mom. I'm gonna sit on the edge of the couch. I want to check my phone. Mama, do you see the leaves? Whoa! Whoa! I got that on tape. Yeah, I got that on tape now. That was big, Mama. Big Mama. I see a flood. Yep. Wait, since I'm recording, I see a flood. All these people is outside. No, wait. The people is driving to the freaking flood right now, and that isn't stuff. Yo, look in the rain. Look in the rain. Just look in the rain real quick. Just look at that rain. This is not playing, guys. You see this? How you see this? People's outside jumping into the rain. Look at that. It's waiting for it to come every minute, but it just rained. I see the tree over there. See the tree over there moving a little bit? You probably don't. I probably, hey guys, last night, I need to record it, but it's a tornado warning, and I can't record the tornado. Oh my, they running! They running! Mom, here comes the wind! Here comes the wind! Here it comes. Mom, look at this bad storm ever. It's a baddie storm. They'll call it that. But what I should call it? Tornado storm? Yeah. Okay, I got it. Jeez. You're so rude. Be quiet. Yo, also these leaves. It's fall. I love fall. I love all the season, by the way. I should have had a camera set, but now it's like it get too wet. I'm not gonna be messing up and die. Yo, it's windy over there. Okay, that was a big blunder. I'm recording on YouTube too. Hey guys, make sure to subscribe. Subscribe. My bad, guys. Yo, these not playing. It's gonna have a flood in my house if it that people start driving to it. Where? Right over here.